Bro, does anybody have like such long hair that it what's up, guys? Good morning. It's a Sunday morning. Got work today. I am what my work would call is called on call. Basically means you're like the main guy that they call on for like stuff like important tickets or stuff like that. Let's push it out here so that we can start it without disturbing the family, and we disturb the neighbors instead. Let's push her on out here. How's everybody doing, man? I know I don't talk about my videos. It's only because I get awkward and I just forget what to talk about. So I'll just let you guys watch my riding. Maybe you guys put it on for like late night sleep or something, you know. Everybody wake up. It's time to make some money, everybody. What are y'all doing sleeping? Wake up. Wake up, neighbors. A lot of people are asking about these gloves. So these are the gold top predator gloves. They're pretty fucking clean, bro. They are pretty clean. Oh, music. Alrighty. Well, we got like no gas. How? Ooh, it's still a little wet. Hear that? I don't care if I'm revving in the middle of the road, bro. Yo, y'all in the comments, shut your asses up. I don't give a damn what y'all think about me. It's just like y'all don't give a damn what I think about you guys, okay? Ride your ride, guys. I ain't judging nobody. Y'all can judge me all you want. I'll take it. Cause I ain't no puss. You know what I'm saying? I got thick skin, bro. Fucking Asian, man. I've heard it all. Y'all can say whatever you want to me in the comments. Say you want me to die. Say you want me to this and that. I don't give a damn. You think I care? Hell no. I got bigger things to worry about in my life than you trolls or you old men commenting what I do. That's what's been on my mind, I guess. You know, I could care less what people think about me, man. Like, people in this world nowadays, you guys care too much. You guys care too much about what other people think. And it like judges, it clouds your judgment. And it clouds like everything else that you think about. You know? Just don't care sometimes, man. Yes, I'm listening to Drake over my dead body. One of those type of mornings. Nah, it's because I was watching some like TikToks and Reels, and they were all just about LeBron and him retiring and stuff. And like, bro, he's been here for like so long, and like we are just taking him for granted. And I don't give a damn who you guys think the GOAT is, man. I think they're both top tier, bro. Like, no one can touch them. That's what I think. Roads are still wet as shit, bro. How's everybody been though? You know, I rarely talk on this. Oh man, I need earplugs, bro. This thing is too loud. Okay, why is the weather kind of like gloomy? I thought it said it was going to be like hot today. I should have just drove today. Let's just take the express lanes. What's this rain, brother? Ain't that no shit? The way you do it splits, but your bitch, fucking toad inside the bitty. Maroon 5 need a verse, better make it witty. Fading this way for the Swifties. Time to take a drop, and give it 50. Hey, drip, sweet pipe down. You ain't need no big screen. You don't got you white now. Touch you got you white now. Scissor got you white. Hey, drop and give me 50. That is freaky, yeah. Hey, she's such a, we still don't trust you. I have no gas. Give a fuck. Just wave to the cop. What did I do to deserve you? It's all gravel over there. Never mind. Pop over here. Alrighty, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the little ride. We are back at work. Peace.